From the previous videos, you understood that electric vehicles have autopilot. It should be just activated to start working. These electric vehicles have been certified for sale in Europe with all components required for autopilot operation. Even without activated autopilot, the electric vehicles can be programmed according to your wishes to save your life in an emergency. You may be in excellent health, but your thoughts are busy with problems and you are distracted from the road. This is the main cause of road accidents. The programmed vehicle in an emergency can avoid a collision, stop on its own, and makes an emergency phone call. Is it interesting for you? Get in touch. See you in our new videos.